Hey there, BodyFix PT and performance fans. Okay, in this video we're doing another foam rolling activity. We're gonna get the hip abductors or adductors. Sorry, I misspoke. It happens. The adductor runs from the inside of the knee up into the groin area. Okay, and we want to foam roll that out. So if you ever have a groin pull or anything, that's this muscle that we're talking about. Okay, it's the hip adductors. That means it pulls the hip towards the midline or and across the midline of the body. All right, so to do this, I'm going to take my foam roller, I'm going to put it parallel to me between my legs. Okay, I'm going to do my right side, so I'm going to put it out, and my knees are a little wider than shoulder width, and then I'm going to put this out by my knee, and then I'm going to straighten this leg back. So now I have this leg bent. You can see my knees bent, and this leg is straight. Okay, so now the foam rolls on the inside of my thigh. And I'm just gonna come, you're gonna get up close and personal with this foam roller. And you're gonna come in and out. Okay, and if you find a little sore spot, what you can do is you can do some rotation of the hip. So you see how my foot's on the floor? And the foam rolls right here. I'm gonna move my arm just so you can see a little better. And I'm just lifting my foot towards the ceiling and back down. That's just some rotation of the hip. Okay, internal rotation. And then just kind of get that going. Roll it out a little bit more. And then you can do the other side. Okay, and that just means rolling that foam roll over. Now I'm gonna straighten this leg. Get up close and personal with that foam roller again. Okay, and then it's the same thing I can do. A hip internal rotation. All right, so that's getting that groin or hip adductor muscle. So go ahead, let us know if you have any questions or anything like that. You can do it in the comments below. You can always reach out to us through our website, bodyfixpt.com. Feel free to give us an email or reach out via the phone. And we are always happy to discuss and give you some options that you can do. Take care, give us that thumbs up. Thanks for watching.